There's nothing more refreshing than something cold on a hot summer day. This easy Italian ice is packed full of flavor and cools you down deliciously from the heat. This is a great one for the kids to help with too, and it won't be long before you're digging in. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. You can choose any lemonade or juice you like. I've chosen mango lemonade for this batch. Just pour the lemonade into a 9x13 pan, filling it about halfway so that it's manageable when you move it to the freezer. Fill it the rest of the way once it's on a flat surface in the freezer. Or, if you don't trust yourself not to spill it, you can put the empty pan in the freezer first and then fill it. Freeze it for 90 minutes and then give it a check for ice crystals, and then check every 20 to 30 minutes as it hardens to give it a whisk to break up the crystals. Keep doing this until you have a thick but not totally solid consistency with no liquid. If you got no time for that, you can freeze it solid and then just put it in the fridge for about 45 minutes and begin scraping it with a spoon, and it'll have a snow cone consistency. If you scrape it while it's still frozen, it'll be like flavored snow. Pile it up in a ramekin, and if you're making multiples, put the finished ones in the freezer so that they don't melt. If you like, top it with a contrasting piece of fruit for the topper. Italian ice is so easy to make, and you can customize it however you like. If you feel like multiple flavors, use different complementary lemonades or juices. You're only limited by your available freezer space. A refreshing taste of summer is ready when you are. For other printable recipes, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.